Hi guys, I'm Abigail.
And I'm Erica.
Welcome back to Kids Oven. Today we're making Snickerdoodles! In a mixing bowl, add half cup of unsalted butter and a quarter cup of cream cheese. Also add 1 cup of granulated sugar. Mix it together until it's well combined. Now you can taste it and it tastes delicious. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 2 large eggs. Mix it together until it's nice and creamy.
Next, we'll add 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of salt, 1 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, a pinch of nutmeg, and 4 tablespoons of almond meal.
Next, add 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour. Next, we mix together, and it smells so good. Once the flour mixes in, then it's my favorite part. Roll 1 tablespoon of cookie dough into a bowl and place it on a tray. Cover the tray with plastic wrap and put it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours.
In a mixing bowl, add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, a pinch of nutmeg, and 1/3 cup of granulated sugar.
Mix it together and coat all the snickerdoodles in the yummy sugar.
Place the snickerdoodles on a baking tray at least 2 inches apart and bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees for 12 to 14 minutes.
The snickerdoodles are so yummy. The outside is nice and crunchy and you bite into the sugar, and the inside is nice and chewy, perfect with a glass of milk.
And mommies can enjoy it with a nice cup of coffee.
I hope you like this recipe. Make sure to like and subscribe to Erica's Oven for more kids recipes. Bye guys, see you next time.